अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल लुबना स्कॉलर्स। आप सबको आज़ादी मुबारक हो। In this video, we will talk about the Pakistan Resolution of 1923, also known as the Lahore Resolution, was an early milestone in the political evolution of Muslims in British India, adopted by the All India Muslim League. This resolution sought to address the growing concerns of Muslims regarding their political and cultural rights within the British colonial framework. It advocated for greater autonomy and administrative reforms in provinces with significant Muslim population, making a shift towards more assertive demands for Muslim interest. While it did not explicitly call for a separate state, the resolution laid foundational ideas that would later evolve into the demand for Pakistan, reflecting the deepening political consciousness and aspirations of the Muslim community. The Pakistan Resolution of 1923, also known as the Lahore Resolution, is often confused with the 1940 Lahore Resolution, which officially called for the creation of Pakistan. However, the 1923 resolution passed by the All India Muslim League was a significant early document in the history of Muslim political aspirations in British India. Here are some lesser known facts about the 1923 resolution. Number 1. Early demand for provincial autonomy. The 1923 resolution primarily aimed at demanding greater autonomy for Muslim majority provinces rather than a separate state. It called for substantial administrative and legislative autonomy for provinces with significant Muslim populations. Number 2. Influence of Allama Iqbal. Allama Iqbal, a prominent philosopher and a poet, played a significant role in shaping the ideas expressed in the resolution. Although he was not directly involved in its drafting, his vision of political and cultural revival for Muslim influenced the resolution. Number 3. Focus on Muslim identity. The resolution emphasized protecting the political, economic, and cultural rights of Muslims within the framework of a united India. It was an early articulation of concerns over Muslim identity and political representation. Number 4. Response to the Simon Commission. The resolution was partially a response to the Simon Commission of 1927, which was characterized for its including any Indian Muslims. The resolution expressed dissatisfaction with the British approach to constitutional reforms and advocated for more substantial Muslim input in governance. Number 5. Linked to the later demand for Pakistan. While the 1923 resolution did not explicitly call for a separate state, it laid the groundwork for later demands. It represented an evolving Muslim political consciousness that eventually led to the 1940 Lahore Resolution and the demand for an independent Pakistan. Number 6. Significance in Muslim League history. The resolution marked a shift in the Muslim League's strategy, moving from seeking reforms within the British framework to more assertive demands for Muslim interest and governance. Number 7. Context of Muslim League's political strategy. At the time, the Muslim League was navigating complex political dynamics within British India, including relations with the Indian National Congress and other political groups. The 1923 resolution reflected these challenges and the League's efforts to secure greater rights for Muslims. 8. Lesser known details for its adoption. The resolution was adopted during the annual session of the All India Muslim League held in Lahore. It was a significant step in consolidating Muslim political demands, though it did not receive as much attention as later resolutions. The 1923 resolution is a crucial part of the broader narrative leading to the creation of Pakistan, reflecting the early stages of Muslim political mobilization and the quest for greater autonomy and representation. Once again, Happy Independence Day. We will meet in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.